What's the meaning of barb? Barb. Barb.
Barb. Barb. The word barb has a few different meanings, depending on context and usage. One of the most common definitions of barb is a sharp projection or point, typically found on the end of a wire or spear. In this sense, barbs are often used to catch or hold on to things, like fish on a fishing hook. The term barb can also refer to a cutting remark or insult, especially one that is cleverly crafted to sting or wound the recipient. Finally, some people use barb as a short form of barbed wire, which is a type of fencing material that was once commonly used in rural areas to deter trespassers and predators.